Good morning, student of standard 9 CBSC. You studied lesson 1. Today I am going to teach you about lesson 2. Name of lesson 2 is tissues. What is tissue? If you don't know, I am going to teach you about it. A unicellular organism such as amoeba, paramecium, etc. Has a single cell in its body, mean that have only single cell. But in multicellular organism, there are millions of cells. Most of these cells are specialized to carry out a few functions. Each specialized function, is taken up by a different group of cells. These cells function very efficiently, and the cells of multicellular organism, show division of labor. Cell, tissue cells that are specialized in one function are grouped to form a tissue. Mean tissue is a group of cells which perform one special function. In the beginning, all the cells are alike, but as development, proceeds, a change occurs in their size, structure, and their functions. This differentiation of cells is followed by the different kind of tissues. Thus, you can say a tissue is a cluster of cells at a definite place in the body and performing a specialized function. A group of tissues of different type, work in harmony to form organ. Means cells joined together make tissue, and tissue joined together form an organ. Topic. Try to understand about this. Are plants and animals made of same type of tissues? No, plants and animal are two different organisms. Plants are autotrophic, that can make their own food themselves by the process of photosynthesis, but animal depend on plants for their food. Animal cannot make their own food, so they prepare their own food by that process that is known as photosynthesis. Okay, I hope you know about photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plant take carbon dioxide from atmosphere, sunlight, solar energy from sun, and minerals and water from soil, and they prepare their own food. They make their food, and that food they use themselves, and that is useful for other and for animals. Moreover, plants are stationary. Stationary means that are fixed. They do not move about it, one place to another place, about except of a few unicellular about except for a few unicellular algae. Hence they do not consume or need much energy. Therefore, most of the tissues of plants are supportive that provide them with structural strength. One, you can see in your surrounding there are many plants. On the other hand, animals such as, all animals are heterotrophic, organized, they depend for food on plants and on other organisms. They move from one place to another place. Why they move one place to another place? For search of food, shelter. Therefore they need more energy. And if they need more energy as compared to the plant, most animals tissue containing living cells. I am going to teach you about difference between animal tissue and plant tissue. Animal tissue, animal tissue can move from one place to another place. Why they move one place to another place? Because they require more energy and hence also need more living tissues. And plant tissue are stationary, so they do not need or they do not require more energy and hence also do not need to move living tissues. Second, growth of cells is uniformly distributed, and growth of animals in plant tissue, growth of cells is limited to certain region. Growth of cells is limited to certain region. This is difference between plant and animal tissue. And number third, organ and organ system. In animal tissue, organ and organ system have more specialized and complex structure or structural organization. In plant tissue, organ and organ system have less complex structural organization. Okay, today I taught you about difference between animal and plant tissue. So today's homework, you all will write in your note copy difference between plant tissue and animal tissue and definition of tissue. What is tissue? Tissue is a cluster or group of cells which perform, a special function.